Hello Beyblade fans, this is AZ the Dragon, back with another unboxing video. And today, I'll be unboxing Samurai Calibur 670 Merge. So, this is a balance type blade, and it's also from the BX line. So on the back here, we have the part's stats, along with the user on the top here, which is Tenka Shiraboshi. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so it's all new parts. So the bit which is merge, which is basically like Cone Sharp from Metal Fight. The only main difference is that it's got these two rubber tabs instead of it being perfectly round. So, or if you want, if you got into it during Burst, it's like the Unite driver from Storm Spriggan. But that said, it'll be interesting to see how this goes in the Extreme Stadium. And then the next part is 670. In a nice teal-like colour. So that'll be interesting to see as well. And then the blade, which is Samurai Calibur. So, which features two-bladed blade. Kind of, I don't know, it kind of makes me think of Achilles from Burst, only it's not red. But, I mean, that's just me thinking about it shape-wise. Without any further ado, let's say we give this Beyblade a weighing to see how much it weighs. Okay, so we'll start with the bit. So the bit itself is 3.39 grams, and the ratchet is 6.32 grams, and the blade itself is 35.83 grams. Okay, so with it all together, it weighs 45.53 grams. Oh, and something I also realized as well is that the merge bit actually has more gear teeth than Excel, so I believe it has 18 teeth instead of 16 like Excel. But with that said, let's see how this blade does in battle. Okay, so here we are with the stadium. My lovely fiance is going to be helping me out with the test battle. So I'll be using Samurai Calibur, and she's going to use Samurai Saber. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's 1 point to Saber. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Saber. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's a first. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, knockout. Okay, so final thoughts. It's actually very fun to use. You can definitely be very quite unpredictable with how you launch the merge bit, and it's definitely much faster than bits like point. Though, because of how freakishly tall the bit itself is, I mean, it's taller than Gearball, so... Well, not Gearball, Disc Ball, I mean. My bad. But, yeah. But, other than that, though, it's... I would say that the stamina is kind of not there. But then again, with rubber bits, of course, there won't be much stamina due to more friction between the tip and the stadium. But other than that, yeah, definitely a fun blade to use. I'll definitely have to do some more testing to see, yeah, how else it can be used. But I'd say it's definitely got potential. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and... Oh, and just a quick shout out to my friend who runs PAX Bays. Go check his website out. He sells Beyblades for good prices. I'll leave a link to his website in the description below. And with that said, once again, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And let me know in the comments what else you guys want me to do in the future. Whether it's Beyblade or maybe even another hobby of mine. With that said, till next time, I'll see you in the next unboxing.